Hello, Alisons and Alices. How are you guys? I hope you're doing fine, doing well, keep vigilant. So in this video, I bring a more theory, try to explain a little bit more what is Chromia and how it works. But first off, anything, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel so you can receive more news and theories about my neighbor Alice. We will try to make some kind of Animal Crossing style channel here in YouTube. So in this video, I'm gonna read the article which is in our website called mnagame.com. You're gonna see in the video and the description down below. I will read right now. The title of the article is "What is Chromia?" For those who play or are reading a lot of news about My Neighbor Alice, they must have come across the token called Chromia. But what it does? What is the service proposal that Chromia has? In this article and video, let's make a deep dive why it might explode. First topic is founders with history. This technology was founded by the team composed of Henrik Rijalt, Alex Mizari, and Oral Perlman, who own the company ChromaWay, which has a subdivision called Chromia. Chromia, or CHR, acronym used to the listing, is an evolution of the blockchain. Chromia is a cross-platform solution made to empower its developers in the creation of decentralized applications, the famous DApps. The platform was also not just made for games. Henrik Rijalt stated in an interview, the decision to use Chromia more initially for games was because games have rapid adoption and this could help spread the benefits of the platform. In addition to the rapid adoption of games by enthusiastic players, generally, these types of projects handle an almost insane amount of data, especially in MMORPGs, being a good idea to test the effectiveness of Chromia. This solution is more focused on B2B, business to business, which basically means companies serving companies, but which can be used for individual purposes also too. These companies do not need to create systems or services from the scratch. They can use legacy technology and insert the Chromia blockchain, transforming their centralized applications into decentralized applications. Each block creator contributes to the blockchain, where their bytes have been contributed by users who run a node. So it's these people or computers that receive the value of the transactions that might be called gas fees or simple fees. A part of the project is inherited. Some points are from previous project called colored coins, which aim to tokenize assets and technologies. Alex Mizari spoke a lot about the time with Vitalik Buterin, who shortly after started to make public his white paper for what we know today as Ethereum. Vitalik even wrote part of the Colored Coins white paper as well. Oral Perlman created one of the world's first user-friendly digital wallets and was co-founded by Stephen Thomas, who is a former Ripple CTO. Henrik Rijalt had a quick appearance in the reality Dragon's Den, which is a copy of Shark Tank, where entrepreneurs make pitches to receive investment. The second point is technology being applied today. As in BNB, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other currencies, these fees can also be paid with the CHR, which like other systems that calculate traffic and rebalance the fees. This would also happen with the CHR. In addition to this disruptive transaction technology, Chromia has its own wallet that you can use to spend your CHRs, Alices, and also your NFTs for each game respectively. In this network, nothing is written in stone. The entire system architecture is under observation to have adjustments made and new rules are implemented with the community. Chromia is technically what we can call a relational blockchain, whose main mission is to scale all these new decentralized apps, reaching a large number of people and maintaining decentralization governance. The project was called Chromopolis, but they thought the name was too big and so it was renamed to Chromia. Today, Not only games like My Neighbor Alice, Mines of Dolarnia, and Chromia Spaces benefit from the blockchain, but there are companies that do not have tokens, which are using the technology to improve their process, such as the platform that proves the authenticity of NFT items called Lingam. In the Caribbean, land is already sold through Chromia public blockchain. The project name is LAC Property Chain. This project itself is funded by the Inter-American Development Bank and is open source, facilitating purchase and sale transactions. The third point is blocks and validators. For those who become a validator node of the system, the activity tends to be financially rewarding. On Twitter, Alex Mizari doesn't like to call them validators, but block creators, because the main function of the mining user is to create blocks, and if these blocks are created by authorized users, they would automatically already be validated. The limit of tokens created is 1 billion chromias, a number which is very similar to other tokens we find in the crypto market. Usually the team and founders keep a part of the tokens, but not in a significant amount as you might expect. See the table. So guys, we got here the table. I will try to describe to you guys. CHR token distribution. You got 1 billion tokens, and this 1 billion are divided in 38% to ecosystem fund, 25% to promotional fund. So this 25% is kind of related to the last news we gave to you guys about Chromia, about My Neighbor Alice giving 80 million to developers. So we got 17% for private sales, 4.5 to founders. That's the number the founders, the three, can receive. IEO, I don't know what it means, but you got 4%. Auto conversion contract, you got 3%. Advisors, 3%. The entire team takes 2.5%. And the system node, which basically is the foundation of the Chromia's blockchain, is 2%. These articles and video are not an investment recommendation, but if you want to buy the token, you can find it on major exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase. You can stake directly on Chromia platform, but there are some rules that were captured from the site but may change in the future. You must lock CHR for at least 2 weeks to start earning. It's only possible to withdraw funds after a request made 2 weeks before. Currently, the APR, annual percentage return, is 25%, but may change. The fourth point is their own programming language. The ChromaWay team has Chromia as its company product, but to facilitate the creation of truly decentralized apps, a programming language called RELL was created, led by a very nice guy who, despite his name, is not Brazilian, called Ricardo Cibani. He explains that RELL is very similar to SQL, a database-oriented language. In the case of RELL, it has better performance because it has all the benefits of SQL, but with security innovations, being able to contribute to development of the blockchain without losing the simplicity of programming. Another point that tends to make RELL more attractive compared to NoSQL or SQL is that it can be 7 times more compact due to its simple syntax. Ricardo and Alex have this common understanding that blockchain is nothing more than a database which stores the information of blocks and transactions with these blocks. So guys, that's the video. I think this video is a little bit more theory, and you got strong foundations of how Chromia's network and blockchain works and how this can be so promising in the future. Chromia working so well, and I think with My Neighbor Alice explosion of popularity in the future, we can have, I think Chromia can be such an incredible asset to keep in your wallet. Again, this is not an investment proposal, but I truly believe not just My Neighbor Alice will explode, but also Chromia token will have significant gains in the future. So that's it. Don't forget to, I have some notes for you guys. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. don't forget to I know this part's my fault. I didn't found yet the platform to start a collective GoFundMe, right? So I'm trying to test GoFundMe, but I'm facing some problems. But I will find this platform so we can launch a campaign to receive money for our professional microphones, so I can deliver more better videos with you guys. That's what I'm trying to do. And because recording with the cell phone, you can simply some kind of listen some noises in the background, and I don't like that. I just wanted to provide a better quality video and audio. So I will open this GoFundMe account, and I think this is gonna increasingly improve our videos and audios. So don't forget to do these three things. I will provide the links of this GoFundMe campaign in soon. So stay safe and thank you.